Today on the Studebaker Restoration, I'm going to strip the cab of all these little strips of cardboard, I think. I don't know if you can see them. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum everything out of here and pressure wash it all. And then get set up to start getting rid of all this rust all up in here and get started on the body work. So I've never seen this before. Oh, what is this? Some of this stuff I've never really seen how like that put on there, so I don't know. I do know all these little screws held on the original interior paneling, so I'm going to try to keep everything. I'm not sure when I order the new stuff if it will all be included. So until I figure that out, I'm going to hold on to them. And I'm not sure if this little stuff like that will be included as well. I'm not sure if even these are going to be included. I've never seen anything like this, because if it's nailed in. This is very odd. I guess maybe it's a standard back in the day. I've never seen it. I have to hold on to a piece in case I have to build my own. It's like it's almost like a tar paper, like you'd see on a roof before you put it down, and then a cardboard mixed together. It's kind of odd. Not sure how they come off, never really. They spin. Oh, this is weird. So I really don't want to break anything. Let me see if I could. See if a pair of pliers and twist them off, they'll come off. Alright, it seems like that's working. Yeah, it's I don't know if you can see it. Take this little screw that's got the twists in them, or nail that's got twists in them. It's kind of odd. Never seen anything like it, but it's like that's the way to get them off. Little twist on the nail, and they were just nailed into the metal. Craziest thing. Never seen that. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and knock out the rest. I'll put it on time lapse. stuff gone. You can kind of see more of the rust that I'm dealing with in this corner right here. It's not so bad over here. It's not as delaminated, I guess you would say. But it gets worse. Up through here, you can see it. Let's see if I can shine some light on it. But I need to separate this whole section right here. I'm not sure, somehow, wherever this goes into this little area, up to the front lip. Up to the front lip right here. Essentially all the way over. And I want to separate. You can see where this weld, this section is, like it's two sections. I'll have to take this part off, rebuild it, and then any other rust pick up as well. Did notice, ooh, did notice this is probably my worst when it comes to the rust inside the cab. I believe it just, water just ran right down through here, all the way down to the bottom. So getting these hinges off, that's going to be a chore. I'll have to either heat it up extremely and try backing them out, or I may just remove it from the door and leave these hinges in there. We'll see. I really don't want to break anything in that area because it may never align up. But now I just got to clean up everything in here and vacuum it all. Then I want to go ahead and pressure wash anything. I want to get all this stuff off, any dirt, anything up in there, now that I don't have anything else in here besides the doors. So anyway, well, we'll just get at it. Well, besides the doors, I think everything's off here. There is a bracket here, but until I can flip this thing over, I can't really do anything about it. But I don't know if you noticed this little patch. I'm not sure what was going on with that. I'll have to remake it, just cut out a piece, rerun these beads. That rust up there, all cleaned out. A lot of dirt was coming out of here. Oh, that's all down through in these seams. But I think I could start the body work on it finally. Get this squared away. Then once the body work's done, just go ahead and blast it all. And once I blast it though, I don't want to be priming it immediately. Still have to get these doors off. Not looking forward to it now. Oh, anyway, let this sit here and dry. And next time, find something else to work on. I'll attempt to take off these doors. We'll see. All right, till next time.